feeding live crickets to my bearded dragon. See if I get some shots off of him eating. Look at him attacking. He's pretty lazy. You have to basically like shove the food on his face for him to see it. He got major strong jaws though. He get crazy like crazy. Ooh, almost got it. I guess you need a shot right there. Here's another one. It's a little green looking one. I feel like he was a little sucker that was making a noise. But yep, that rooster wraps it up of him eating basically. Take it, don't play with his food, he'll get all of it. So we have 1, 2, 2 left basically, and I gave him 6. He eats like crazy, and if you continue to give him food, he'll eat again. Oh, he's about to snap at him again. Like, oh, got him by the leg. Got him. Look, get his face, get his face. Oh. He has gorgeous colors. He's fat. Love him to death though.